Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're venturing beyond Earth to explore a fascinating feature of our solar system, the volcanic caves of Mars. While lava tunnels are well known in places like California, Mars boasts an extraordinary network of volcanic caves that could hold the secrets to the red planet's past. Formed millions of years ago during volcanic activity, these tunnels make up the largest known volcanic cave system in our solar system. Some of these Martian caves are over 250 meters wide, which is 8 times wider than those on Earth. And the network stretches for more than 1,200 kilometers in some areas. Despite the impressive reach of rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance, their size limits their ability to explore these vast tunnels. Mars' harsh weather, including winds that can reach speeds of 97 kilometers per hour, presents another challenge to these rovers. Enter the ingenious solution inspired by nature: drones designed to mimic the seed dispersal mechanism of the dandelion. These small flying devices can harness the strong Martian winds to navigate efficiently through the volcanic caves. Delivered by a beetle-like robot, these drones are released into the tunnels to carry out their exploratory missions. The drones face the challenge of finding sufficient air currents to propel them through the tunnels. However, openings in the tunnel ceilings might provide the needed airflows, and the drones are equipped with powerful fans to compensate for any lack of wind. Instead of relying on solar panels, which are ineffective in the dark interiors of the caves, these drones use piezoelectric technology to generate energy. Exploring these Martian lava tunnels could unveil unprecedented information about the planet's history and the potential for life. As scientists gear up to deploy these dandelion drones in future missions, the ability to explore these caves might just be the key to a deeper understanding of Mars, and perhaps even preparing humans for future habitation. Subscribe to Science Hub for more exciting insights into the wonders of science.